Question 1. Which experiment provided direct evidence that DNA is the genetic material using radioactive isotope? Right answer is option C. Hershey and Chase experiment. Question 2. In a DNA molecule, the ratio of purines to pyrimidine is always. Right answer is option C. 1:1. Question 3. Which nitrogenous base pairs with adenine in RNA? Right answer is option D. Uracil. Question 4. The nucleosome core particle is composed of. Right answer is option C. Octamer of histone and 146 base pair DNA. Question 5. During DNA replication, the enzyme that seals nicks between Okazaki fragments is. Right answer is option D. DNA ligase. Question 6. The direction of synthesis of new DNA strand is. Right answer is option B. 5' to 3' end. Question 7. Which one of the following is a reverse transcriptase? Right answer is option B. RNA-dependent DNA polymerase. Question 8. The coding strand of DNA has the sequence 5-ATG into 3. The corresponding messenger RNA codon will be. Right answer is option A. Question 9. In eukaryotes, transcription occurs in. Right answer is option C. Nucleus. Question 10. The cap added to the 5' end of eukaryotic messenger RNA is. Right answer is option D. 7-methylguanosine triphosphate. Question 11. Which enzyme is responsible for transcription of transfer RNA in eukaryotes? Right answer is option C. RNA polymerase 3. Question 12. The genetic code is said to be unambiguous because. Right answer is option B. One codon code only for one amino acid. Question 13. The anticodon as given on the transfer RNA pairs with which messenger RNA codon? Right answer is option A. Question 14. The site of protein synthesis in a bacterial cell. Right answer is option B. 70S ribosome. Question 15. During translation, peptidyl transferase activity is associated with. Right answer is option C. Large ribosomal subunit. Question 16. Which component of lac operon binds to the operator to prevent transcription? Right answer is option D. Lac repressor. Question 17. In the absence of lactose, lac operon is. Right answer is option B. Repressed. Question 18. Human Genome Project estimated the total number of protein coding genes in humans to be approximately. Right answer is option C. 20,000 protein coding genes. Question 19. Which technique is used for DNA fingerprinting to detect variable number tandem repeats? Right answer is option C. Southern blotting with VNTR probes. Question 20. The first human genome was sequenced by. Right answer is option D, both B and C combined. Although के ह्यूमन जीनोम सीक्वेंसिंग में सिलेरा जीनोमिक्स नामी एक प्राइवेट कंपनी ने भी कंट्रीब्यूट किया था जिसको लीड कर रहे थे क्रीच वेंटर, लेकिन इस क्वेश्चन के अकॉर्डिंगली इसका राइट आंसर बनेगा ऑप्शन डी. Question 21. Which one of the following is a pyrimidine base? Right answer is option C, thymine. Question 22. The backbone of a DNA strand is formed by. Right answer is option B, phosphodiester bond between sugar and phosphate. Question 23. In a nucleosome, DNA is wrapped around histone protein approximately. Right answer is option B, 1.65 tons. Question 24. The enzyme that unwinds the DNA double helix during replication is. Right answer is option C, helicase enzyme. Question 25. Which statement about Okazaki fragments is correct? Right answer is option C. They are synthesized in 5' to 3' direction on lagging strand. Question 26. The function of telomerase is to. Right answer is option B. Add repetitive sequences to the chromosomes end. Question 27. Which RNA carries amino acid to the ribosome? Right answer is option C, transfer RNA. Question 28. Splicing of hnRNA in eukaryotes involve removal of. Right answer is option B, introns. Question 29. Wobble hypothesis explains. Right answer is option B, degeneracy due to flexible base pairing at third codon position. Question 30. A mutation that changes a codon from triple U to WC is called. Right answer is option C, silent mutation. Question 31. Which subunit of bacterial RNA polymerase recognizes the promoter? Right answer is option C, sigma factor. Question 32. The lac Y gene of lacopiron codes for. Right answer is option B, permease enzyme. Question 33. Allolactose acts as an inducer by. Right answer is option B, binding to the repressor and inactivating it. Question 34. Which of the following is not a part of Human Genome Project? Right answer is option D, protein sequencing of all human proteins. Question 35. In DNA fingerprinting, the probe is. Right answer is option B, radio-labeled VNTR sequence. Question 36. Satellite DNA used in DNA fingerprinting is. Right answer is option A, highly repetitive DNA. Question 37. The initiator transfer RNA in prokaryotes carries which amino acid? Right answer is option B, formylmethionine. Question 38. During elongation of translation, translocation of ribosome requires. Right answer is option B, translocase enzyme. Question 39. The final product of lacopiron when fully induced is. Right answer is option B, beta-galactosidase, permease, as well as transacetylase. Question 40. Which of the following is an example of non-coding RNA with regulatory function? Right answer is option C, microRNA. Question 41. The melting temperature of DNA increases with. Right answer is option B, higher GC content. Question 42. Which enzyme remove RNA primer and replaces them with DNA in Escherichia coli? Right answer is option B, DNA polymerase 1. Question 43. The poly A tail added to the messenger RNA is important for. Right answer is option B, messenger RNA stability and export. Question 44. A codon on messenger RNA is 5CUA3'. The anticodon on transfer RNA will be. Right answer is option B. Question 45. Which of the following is a direct result of alternative splicing? Right answer is option A, one gene producing multiple proteins. Question 46. The primary function of operator region in lac operon is to. Right answer is option B, binds repressor protein. Question 47. Which base is methylated in eukaryotic DNA to regulate gene expression? Right answer is option C, cytosine. Question 48. The C value paradox refers to. Right answer is option A, lack of correlation between genome size and organism complexity. Question 49. A DNA fragment of 1000 base pair has 200 adenine. How many guanines are present? Right answer is option B, 300. Question 50. Which of the following is not required for transcription? Right answer is option D, primer.